Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1, and today I will show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. So to start off, we're gonna power off the device, hold power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, which will be indicated by the vibration, what you want to do is hold power and volume down simultaneously. And once you see the ASUS logo, you can let go. And right now we should be in recovery mode. So from here we'll use volume up and down to navigate, as so. And with that in mind, select reboot to bootloader and confirm it with power key. And as you can see, you have ASUS Fastboot Mode. Long press power key to shut down the device. And well, we're right now in Fastboot mode, and the message is basically to leave the mode. So that is how you would leave it, and then you can just hold the key to leave the mode. So power key, and you can let go once the device screen turns off. Now let's hold it once more to turn it back on. And as you can see, we're now in the Android. So that is how you would access and leave Fastboot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.